Embaúba House by Lucas Takaoka in Essay with São Paulo, Brazil. The Embaúba House is a project that represents our greatest pursuit in the last 2 years. Humans have ended up prioritizing their time to the maximum in a quality of life combined with the rhythm of work. In this way, the home office on many occasions has come across the countryside, coastal, and forest landscapes, where each individual has adapted to a practically introspective period, not selfish, but taking care of themselves. The urban exodus in search of forests, the smell of rain, breaks in daily life, in places detached from the gray urban walls. This has been a panorama of teachings and maturing. Today we are practically back to the normal rhythm. Automotive traffic flooding urban centers, trips, and public transportation at an accelerated pace. But today we stop and, even in small doses, we have learned to value our most precious asset, time. The details of our lives have been meticulously altered as our bodies analyze our deficiencies. The lack of breaks, intervals, and more breaths of fresh and clean air. This house represents a bit of the redefinition of our own lives, establishing our priorities, our health, and our search for environments surrounded and embraced by vegetation. A daily maintenance of the soul. The name Embaúba derives from a native Brazilian tree. Besides having medicinal properties, it is common in regions that have suffered deforestation or are in recovery. Its accelerated growth helps the entire biome. Just as this tree balances the forest and turns a degraded area into life, we people have learned to take better care of ourselves, rebuilding the deficient and fragile points in recent times, mainly to better preserve our future.